mag-interview. Ikaw mag-interview. Oh my God, Belle. English, English, English. Okay. Oh my gosh.
What's your name again? I'm Mariel. What can I do for you? Nothing. Can you buy me food? Oh, I'm sorry.
Naubusan ng English.
Who's there? I'm Mariel. Tignan mo si James.
May si me. Oh, nakita, malamang nakita.
Maribel who? Hindi ba? Sinadya niya.
Maribel who? What the f...
Oh, Maribel? Sino Maribel? Maribel? I'm Maribel. I was naka-interview. I was naka-interview. What's that? Tim Hortons. Can't you see? Chocolate. Hot chocolate. Yeah, hot chocolate. Is it delicious? Of course. Why would I buy it if it's not? I think it's... Excuse me? Will you step? Yes. Will you what?
Step? What step? What?
Will you please stop interrupting us because we're having an interview here? Well,
See what I'm
Go
doing?
ahead. Continue.
Hi! Hey, Belle!
Magandang tanghali po. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa cafeteria ng CCA. Pagmasdan po ninyo ang mga estudyanteng Pinoy. Ayun po, nakikita niyo po ba? Nag-uulan.
Kathleen!
Davila. Jamili. Tawag
Kathleen Davila, ang gaga.
Si Karen Davila.
Kathleen!
Karen Davila kayo. Di Kathleen
Ben!
Karen.
Sprite Zero. Sprite Zero.
Tapos na. Ayoko na.